Hey guys, it's Friday, so I'm making a video because I said a couple videos ago that every Friday that I would make a video and upload it. And, yeah, so I seemed very happy a minute ago. Damn, that's too much happiness. You guys can just ignore it, right? Because I don't feel like getting remote. It's all the way back there. My nail's pissing me off. I have a very long nail. My nails are all oddly length. Like one will be really short, and next one will be kind of long, and next one will be short. And then this one's layered as fuck, and I need to repaint it. And this one just looks bad, as does this one. I need to repaint my nails. I'll probably do it this weekend. I feel like I'm not in the shot. I know I am, because I can see clearly by this screen right here. This screen, I can see clearly that I am in the shot. But yeah. Look at me like that, son. You're sitting in my spot in the first place. My cat is nestling behind me. And he's kind of pissed at me because I made him move. He'll get over it. Ah, my ear's showing. Oh no. Whatever shall I do with my life? I'm joking, I'm fine. Hi, my name's Rachel. I'm sorry. I can tell you my guys. Stop it. He's clawing my back. He's really pissed at me. Pet you. Hell yeah. Good kitty. I don't know if you can see him. I can move it. 21st. No, I'm joking. You can see his disgusted face towards the camera, but you can't see his feet body. That sounds gross. Sorry. I didn't mean for it to sound like that. It just did. Anyway, I'm gonna tell you guys how I'm gonna do my hair whenever summer gets here. I don't want to do it now while I'm going to school, because what I'll have to do is I'm getting a color in it, not just any color. I mean a random color like pink or blue or you know colors like that, not natural colors, obviously. But yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strip my hair to where it's my original color, which I hate my original color, but I'm gonna have to do that. Then I'm gonna dye it blonde, because it's gonna have to be blonde for a while. That way I can, you know, get it my pink color. And my necklaces are cold. Yeah. As you can see, I'm not used to wearing half shirts. Good. And I'm gonna strip it to original color, my whole head. And then this might sound kind of stupid at first, but this is my original idea of what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna share with you what my friend Bree wants me to do with my hair as a start. What I want to do is half my head, or maybe just where I part it right here, I don't know if it's even already. I don't know, but you'll get it. Alright, so this is basically this side of my head, that side, and then this, so this side. This side, I want to do a random color, and then this side, I want to keep black, because I like the black. I feel like that's good on me, I think. For once, I actually think I look good with the color. Just my hair, bro. My hair is what I adore about myself mostly. Other than that, I really have no favorite qualities of myself at all. Seriously, you guys don't know me. I literally hate my appearance whatsoever. I know it's a terrible thing to do, but still. I don't know. I can't help the way I think. Ow. Freaking claw me, bitch. Claw me. My mommy touching me. Are you still coming this weekend? Yep. Oh, yeah, I'm going to my mom's this weekend. I don't know if I said that. Oh, sorry, I keep getting off track. Yeah, this is gonna be a random color, and this is gonna be black. I'm thinking I'm gonna do this yellow. I don't know why, I just like yellow. A lot of people don't like yellow because of how bright it is, and how annoying the color can be, just as a whole. But I like it. It's a cool color. Might do orange. I don't know. I'm not. Obviously, I'm not decided on what color I'm gonna do. But yeah, it's gonna be something along the lines of crazy and wild and random. Cause, you know, that's always fun. Anyways, I have a ringtone that I can show you. It's amazing. Hold on. Let me turn the ringer thing up.
You better go take that back, because they're going to charge you for that. Go, 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 come on.
Hold on.
So,
I'm gonna get on. That's it. It played because my mom just now texted me back, but, oh, like I was saying, my mom just now texted me back, so that's why I started playing. I was gonna play it from the beginning, but you probably already heard it when it was sitting on my bed and it was playing. But, yeah. It played without me knowing it. And, you know. Yay for unexpectedness. Oh, you guys, right now, if any of you like or know of the band Asking Alexandria, I want you to like this video, because I love Asking Alexandria. That's a nice song by them. Well, it's not nice at all, but I like it either way. Oh. Message. I'm kind of questioning my mom about my boyfriend. I don't know about her boyfriend, I don't know if, you guys know this or not, but I hate my mom's boyfriend completely. I know my mom has been watching my videos. She doesn't go online much. When she does go online, which I'm trying to convince her to get a Facebook, but she won't do it, and I don't know why. I'll end up making for her one day. Making her one a day, sometime in the future. And, you know, I'm going to surprise her with it. Be like, hey, I made you a Facebook, and then she'll be pissed at me and not use it, probably. But, you know. Yeah, I hate my mom's boyfriend. So, Mom, if you are somehow watching this, I know you're not going to be. But, if you are, sorry, I guess, for hating your boyfriend. Hate the guy, bruh. I hate the guy. You know what I've been doing to my friends? I'm pretty sure I said this in the last video, but, I don't know if any of you guys know about the YouTuber PewDiePie. You know, the gamer guy? Yeah, him. I'm pretty sure you guys know about him. If you do, you're fucking awesome, because that guy's amazing. And, anyway, I just got hooked onto his videos a couple weeks ago. Not a couple weeks ago, like this week. And I've been watching them non-stop. I watched the Slender one, because I've actually played Slender, and it's scary as fuck. But, yeah, I watched him play Slender, and it was funny. So I kept watching videos of him playing Slender. When I watched them all, I got all sad, because, you know, he was very hilarious. Then I watched the one where he was playing The Cellar, which is a... I'm sorry. Which is a flash horror game. And, I hate flash horror. He will probably be here late. I don't know what time. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mommy. Love you. Put the little adorable smiley face. You know, the C and then the colon. Yeah, that's adorable to me. I use that. Instead of the parentheses and the, colon, is... I know I'm a teenager and all, but I feel like I'm too much of a stereotypical teenager if I use that. I don't know. I'm really weird. You guys ever got to really know me? I'm really weird. You probably already drew that conclusion, but just by watching a few of my videos, just because of how weird I act in most of them. But yeah. Oh, I was gonna show you more music. Fuck. Stop it! I just messaged you! Okay, you're welcome. Alright, that's nice. Damn, I'm mean. I have Rebel Love Song on here. It's supposed to play any minute. This is going to be Rebel Love Song, by the way. This is, Good Girls and Bad Guys. If it'll fucking play. Could you, like, reload, bro? No? Broski? Can't do that? Fucker? Alright, that's fine, whatever. I hate you anyway. I don't hate you. I love you. I'm sorry. Mwah. I'm sorry, I'm just really weird. I'm very bipolar at times, too. I've got knives and pens. Actually, it says on here, pens and knives. And it's kind of funny, because every time I see Brie, which is pretty much all day long, random parts of the day, I'll say, I'm listening to Pens and Knives, even though it's really called Knives and Pens. Because I know it pisses her off. She's like, no, it's wrong. See, it doesn't even sound right. And, yeah. I pick up the phone on here by following reverse. That's literally it. That's my husband, everybody. Colin Quinn's mine. I know he's already married. I know he already has a kid, but, you know, it's mine still. I'm sorry. I'm a really weird fangirl when you get to know me. Oh, really? I have a fucking time limit now. Okay, guys. I have 50 seconds left, apparently. So my tablet thinks he's a badass if he can just say whatever the fuck he wants. No. Actually, I might end it. If it makes more sense to end it now, because I have nothing to talk about. Yeah, I literally have nothing else to talk about, so. Yeah, I'll try and make a video Monday, maybe, if I can convince Dawn to be in the video with me, because that'll be fun. Us just being weird and shit, and her making her sex noises. Yeah. I can explain that on Monday, if you'd like. Comment, favorite, subscribe, like, you know, all that good stuff. Be positive, happy, and smile, and I have 5 seconds, so I kind of have to say goodbye quickly. I love you all. Goodbye. Yay.